Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to boot from a USB drive on your HP OMEN Transcend 14. To boot from a USB drive, first you need to shut down your laptop if it's currently on. So let's click on the start button, power icon, shut down. And now wait until the light on the power key in top right corner of the keyboard stops lighting up. So the light on that power key should be off. And now you can plug in the USB drive. Once it is plugged in, just press on the power button and immediately after releasing it, start repeatedly pressing on escape key. If it shows that, then you've done everything correctly and you can easily go to boot menu, then select the USB hard drive, and now you're booted from the drive. I have Windows 11 installation on this drive, so it'll boot me into that. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.